Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to share with you 3 important style tips that would instantly transform your outfits. What I love about these suggestions in particular is that they really do a great job in elevating the outfit that you wear. And this is especially important when you want to create something that's stylish but still put together, but not done in a way that just seems a bit bland and simple. The first tip I recommend is to play with fabrics and textures. This is something that I advise throughout all of my videos when styling outfits. And the reason why is because I really think it's just a simple way to make the outfit a bit more interesting and to add a nice level of dimension to it as well. Sometimes having 2 pieces of the same fabrics can just seem a bit more bland and simple. And if you want to create an outfit that just has a bit more character to it, that just feels a bit more elevated, incorporating different fabrics and textures is a great way to do that. One fabric that I love to do this with is silk. Silk is one of my favorite fabrics to do, especially now that we're in the fall season. It's not just something that can be worn, during the warmer months, but I think pairing it with like a nice cardigan as well, just the level of textures that you see throughout the outfit just does a really great job in achieving that. The same thing can be said for suede as well. In my previous video that I did about the current fashion trends, this fabric is actually one that is very popular at the moment, but I absolutely love it because when you pair it with a striped blue and white button down, it just looks so polished and put together. And I really do think that that's another fabric that you can kind of explore and incorporate into your outfits. The same can be said for a corduroy as well. I absolutely love this fabric and it's great, especially now that we're in fall. We kind of correlate corduroy with fall as well, with like the brown tones that we see a lot in this fabric. That's something that I also think is just a great fabric to incorporate into your outfit. One of the ways that I like to find these pieces is through thrift stores. This is a great economical way to not break the bank, and I find that I found some of my favorite pieces that also are really great quality as well, so it'll last you for years to come. It's just an inexpensive way to stay stylish and elevate your wardrobe. The second tip I recommend that I really do believe does a great job in transforming the outfit is by exploring patterns. Now this of course can take a drastic turn when you sometimes can find pieces that have a pattern that is very busy and bold and just feels too cluttered and overwhelming as well. And one of the ways that I like to kind of have a balance and make sure that I'm not doing this is by making sure the patterns that I'm picking out are a bit more softer on the eyes. One way that I like to ensure this doesn't happen, and I think this is a great tip, especially if you want to incorporate more patterns into the outfit, but you're still trying to figure out which ones are right for you and which options are the best choice to make. I always recommend going for patterns that are a bit more subtle and softer on the eyes, and a lot of that I find sometimes gears towards more neutral tones. One way that we often go wrong when incorporating patterns into our outfit, and it's something that I think we all have done at one point in time, is when we try to incorporate colors into the outfit that are not included in the pattern piece that we're wearing. So an example of this would be kind of having like a pattern top, and then we try to include a pair of bottoms that aren't in the color scheme of the piece that we're wearing it with. I would never advise to do this because it really just makes the outfit more busy and kind of harder on the eyes as well. It can also kind of swallow you in the outfit as well, and can also be just a bit unflattering too. So the way in which I would recommend ensuring that when you're incorporating these pattern pieces is not just by going for more neutral tones, but making sure that when you're styling it with a pair of bottoms or anything of that sort, make sure the piece that you're wearing it with is in line with the color scheme of that patterned piece. So to provide you for an example of this, I have this lavender blue floral blouse from J. Crew that I absolutely love. Is that it gears towards more of a neutral color palette, so it just feels very soft and airy And I think also too, it's just, again, not really overwhelming. To add a bit more dimension into the outfit, what I always like to do is go for a piece, and in this case for a pair of bottoms, that gear towards more of a darker shade of what this pattern blouse consists of. So I'm gonna go for this navy blue pair of trousers that I got from Madewell. And I think that when pairing these two together, I feel like they really just complement each other. The last and final way I'd recommend to kind of transform your outfits and take it up a notch is by venturing into color schemes. And I think from face value, this may seem pretty, obvious, but I think a lot of times when we're styling outfits and we're trying to put it together, even when there's, different colors in our outfits, there's just something about that just feels off. I always recommend going for a max of just 3 different colors. Anything more can just look a bit more busy in a way that's mismatched and not intentional. So some ways that are really good in incorporating different color schemes is by a slight monochromatic look. So as you see here, this is an outfit that I've shared before in one of my videos, but something along the lines of like a khaki blazer and a ribbed top that is matching in accordance with that, with the pair of white jeans, I think just does a really great job in achieving that and kind of helps the outfit look a bit more elevated and stylish as well. And of course, the next way that I just mentioned is 3-way color scheme that offers a bit more variety and space to kind of expand on what we want to wear and how we want to wear it. And the next one that I love the most, that I always feature on my channel, are the full monochromatic looks. This is my favorite look to kind of pull off because I just think it's a mix of, not putting too much, thought into what we're wearing, but it just helps make the outfit look very put together and stylish. And I think one way to kind of elevate this a bit more is by including different fabrics and textures, like what I was mentioning earlier. It really does a great job in just adding a bit more character to the outfit and just kind of takes it up a notch and makes it more, a bit more stylish and elevated. And the last way I'd recommend to achieve color schemes in your outfit is by pairing deep, rich tones with basics. And I think this does a really great job in adding a nice level of dimension to the outfit while still being a bit more stylish and interesting at the same time. And I really think that it's something that you can never go wrong with. And I think also too, it doesn't take that much to style with as well. It's something that you can really just kind of put on quickly, and you don't have to put too much thought into how to wear it and things of that sort. And I think that just saves so much more time, and I think kind of makes the process a bit more fun as well. So that's another option that I recommend going for when trying to achieve a nice way on elevating the way that you wear color schemes. That's it. I hope this provided some great inspiration on how you can kind of elevate your outfits moving forward. I love for you guys to comment down below on which tip resonated with you the most and one that you're going to try and incorporate into your outfits and wardrobe moving forward. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.